Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a retro-style micro-camper van that blends nostalgic charm with modern luxury. Picture this, a cream and gray two-tone design with smooth, rounded edges, parked not in the wild, but inside a sleek, high-end lobby. It's a camper like no other, and you're about to see why it's capturing so much attention. The first thing that catches your eye is the exterior. The polished paintwork glows under warm ambient lighting, while solar panels on the roof give this classic look a futuristic twist. It's not just about style, though. It's about blending timeless aesthetics with real-world functionality. And the marble floor beneath reflects every little detail, making the camper feel almost like a piece of art on display. Step inside, and the cozy interior immediately wraps you in comfort. Two slim cushioned chairs upholstered in cream and gray sit opposite each other, with a foldable wooden table right in the middle. It's the perfect setup for meals, work, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee. The light oak cabinets are tucked neatly into the sidewalls, offering practical storage without overwhelming the space. The details make the difference here. Small white curtains frame the windows, giving that homey, vintage vibe, while subtle LED strip lighting adds a warm glow across the ceiling. It's a small space, but it doesn't feel cramped. Instead, it feels inviting, like a little pocket of calm you can carry anywhere. What's even more exciting is the versatility. This isn't just for road trips, it's designed for compact living with maximum efficiency. Imagine parking this tiny beauty in your driveway, or even using it as a stylish work-from-anywhere studio. With solar panels and clever storage, it's built for both adventure and everyday use. If you've ever dreamed of owning a camper but felt limited by space or budget, this micro design proves you don't need a huge RV to live big. It's the perfect example of how creativity and craftsmanship can turn a small footprint into a lifestyle upgrade. So what do you think? Could you see yourself traveling, working, or even just relaxing inside this cream and gray retro micro camper? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I'd love to hear your take on this unique design. And if you enjoyed this showcase, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more amazing camper and design ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we explore even more incredible ways to rethink small spaces in big creative ways.